you running out of disk space on your Windows 11 PC? Did you know there's a built-in feature that can save storage without requiring additional software? It's called NTFS file compression. And today I'll show you how to enable and use it step by step. Let's get started. Before we dive into the steps, let's quickly understand what NTFS file compression is. NTFS stands for New Technology File System, the default file system for Windows drives. NTFS compression reduces the size of files stored on your drive by compressing them. It's ideal for saving disk space while keeping files accessible without unzipping. However, it's best used for files you don't access frequently, as it can slightly slow down performance when opening compressed files. First, you need to ensure your drive uses the NTFS file system. Start by Open File Explorer. We are going to start by enabling file compression on a single folder. Locate the folder you want to compress in File Explorer. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, click Advanced under the General tab. Check the box that says Compress Contents to save disk space. Click OK, then Apply. You'll be asked whether to apply the changes to just the folder or to the folder and all its contents. Choose the option that fits your needs and click OK. Windows will then compress the files, depending on the size of the folder or drive. This process might take some time. Once compression is enabled, how can you tell which files are compressed? In File Explorer, compressed files or folders are marked with blue icon. This makes it easy to identify them at a glance. You can compress an entire drive, including all its folders and files, using NTFS compression. Avoid using this compression method for media or system files, as it can impact system performance. Each time you access these files, they must be decompressed, which can slow things down. If you ever want to disable compression, the process is just as simple. Just do the reverse and untick the compress tick box and click on Apply. Windows will decompress the files, and that's it. You've learned how to enable and use NTFS file compression to save space on your Windows 11 PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.